Hello and welcome. I'm Deborah, and I'll be doing a quick survey, actually a quick Q&A about Survey Junkie and why. Why did I start using Survey Junkie? I wanted to see if I could make money for real doing surveys. I've tried to get started years ago, but it didn't work out on a different platform. Next, what do I like about Survey Junkie? My schedule is flexible. I can set my own time. I can put in the time and work, and I can make money. Thirdly, how do you make money? You receive money. You receive points for each survey that you do. You get as low as 2 points up to as many as 400 points. So I've seen at least 400 points so far that you can make the maximum. Next, what type of surveys do you answer? There's a huge variety of surveys from answering about entertainment, streaming. What do you use, for instance, Xfinity? You get surveys about beverages, about insurance, about commercials, what you think about commercials. Next, when do you get paid? When you reach a total of 500 points, you get paid. You get paid for, and that's equal to $5. How do you get paid? You get paid, you can choose to receive an e-card, gift card, or you can choose PayPal. Is what I use is PayPal. How much have I made so far? I did a survey over about 7 days when I first joined. I've been doing it about a month now, off and on for 7 days straight. I made a total of $35. I don't know how many surveys. I didn't count how many surveys I did, but I made $35 in 7 days. You won't get rich. And the last Q&A question is, what will I keep using Survey Monkey? Of course I will, because it puts money in my pocket, and it's easy to make. You do have to put in the time and do the surveys. You learn a lot from the surveys. In summary, I tested Survey Junkie just to see if you can really make money on it. I tried it before on different surveys. I get a whole bunch of emails and everything, but I never did figure out how to make money. So Survey Junkie is legit. And although you won't get rich like in 7 days, like I said, but you can work from home, and it's easy to get on. You set your schedule and you can make money. You can cash out at 500 points. And happy surveying. Let me know how you do on Survey Junkie. You can make money.